Hello, my name is Yaroslav Pankowski and I am a solution specialist at Encore Business Solutions. Today we are going to speak about the tax difference function. Why do companies use this function? Well, because sometimes companies purchase items from abroad, in which case the items are likely to be non-taxable. However, the freight that is used along with those items is likely to be taxable. So in this case, it may be interesting to be able to adjust the tax amount on a given purchase invoice or a given purchase order. And today we are going to use Dynamics NAV 2017 as an example. However, same function is available in other versions of the application, as well as in some other applications, for example, Dynamics 365 Business Edition, depending on what version you are using, of course, and provided that this function is preserved in the future versions as well. So in order to see how this function works, let us go to the application. And first of all, we are going to create a purchase invoice. And so we are going to create a simple invoice. It doesn't really matter, but we will enter something meaningful, so such as invoice 1. And our type is going to be item. Number can be 1110 for the ream. Quantity, for example, 1. We are going to add the tax group here, and tax area by default is not specified on the vendor card. For this purpose, for the purpose of this demonstration, it is necessary to add it. So I'm going to add it for this particular purchase invoice, and at once it is possible to see that the tax has been added. So if I go to the statistics page of this invoice and try to adjust the tax amount there, it is not adjustable even if I try to click multiple times on it. In order to enable editing of this field, we need to attend to 2 areas at least, depending on what currencies you're using. And we are going to speak about currencies at the end of this video. So first of all, we need to go to General Ledger Setup. And the field that we are interested in is called Maximum Tax Difference Allowed. This must be set to whatever your company finds appropriate for a given situation, for your particular situation. But as an example, I have entered 40,000. And please bear in mind that this is for the local currency only. The other area that needs to be attended to is purchases and payables setup. And on this page, the field that we are interested in is the allow tax difference field. By default, this field is not ticked. So we're going to make sure that the checkbox is ticked. And now we can press OK. We can return to the purchase invoice that we have just created, go to the same place, so the statistics page, click on the tax amount, and now you can see it is editable. And I can, for example, change it to anything I would like to. I press OK, and I can see that the total tax has been adjusted according to what has been just set up. Now, if you would like to be able to use this function with purchase orders, it is necessary to release your purchase order before you can use this function. Now, as I have mentioned earlier in this video, if your company uses multiple currencies, it is necessary to set up one more area in the application. In particular, we are going to the currencies page and we are going to set it up on this page. So the field that we are looking for by default is unavailable on this page. In order to expose this field, I am going to right click and press choose columns, and now I can see that the field that I'm interested in is available right there. Now I have added it to the list. So for example, if I would like to be able to adjust tax differences on purchase invoices and purchase orders that involve Australian dollar, I would have to go and specify it on this page. So I'm going to click on edit list, and Now I can change the amount. For example, I can make it 40,000 also, but of course your company may want to come up with the amount that's appropriate for your company. It's just as an example. So now I can create purchase invoices and purchase orders in the Australian dollar as well. And users are able to adjust the tax amount up to 40,000 Australian dollars. So let us go back to the Encore website, and I would like to mention that at Encore, we try to set up ERP system of our clients in the most efficient and effective way, and this video contributes to this purpose. If you have any questions related to this video, this article, or any other questions related to your ERP system, feel free to dial toll-free 4x8984330 phone number. You can also visit the Encore Business website and in particular the support page if you would like to contact us. Thank you very much for watching this video and for reading this article. Goodbye.